there's your 21. There. All right, we got what we need. Let's go to work. What's going on? Welcome back. Getting started on our first project with our new hardwood slabs. So the first thing we got to do here is move some of these around, find the one we need. Okay, we're going to use this one and this one over here, right there. So when we placed our order, guys, everything had a SKU number, like you see right here. And I can go back to my inventory list and find each piece. And it'll mark the SKU number, the size, the board feet, and the species. I think we'll hang these up over here on the wall. All right, so let's talk about my sled setup here. I built this thing for just a couple $100, guys, the cost of the steel. But this right here was the main part. It's a rail system. It's got these little bearings on the feet that just roll nice and smooth. Used the plate that came with the Triton router. Mounted the bearing wheels on there. I just made this out of angle iron, some cheap little wheels. They're just welded on there. Cut a couple holes. Bolted that right there. Capacity. It's a big one. We can put a piece 16 foot long. It's inside the inside, we're right at 61 inches, but you've got to leave it a few inches off the rail on each side. So we're effectively at about 49 inches, 50 inches wide. This should pay for itself in no time. go. It's as easy as that. All right, thanks for watching. Come back next time. We'll start finishing these up. That's gonna be beautiful. So is all of that.